In this video, we're going to learn about division using a model, and we're going to use a grid to do that. So if we have a problem like this that says make an array to model 30 divided by 6, and then you have to figure that out. So we're going to try to figure it out using a grid, and it'll just help you visualize what division is like. So these are called the columns, right? All of these are columns, and then these are called rows on the grid, and it goes all the way down. So now what we have to do is we keep adding rows of 6 until we have 30 squares filled in, okay? Because we need to use this 6 as the number of columns, and then 30 is the total number of squares. So let's keep adding rows of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's do that. So there's the second one, there's the third one, there's the fourth one, and one more till we have 30 squares filled in, right? So we have 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. Those 30 squares. So now the final step is to count the number of rows. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 rows. So the answer to this is 5. 30 divided by 6 equals 5. And this is a good way to try to understand division and looking at it in a different way that might help you understand it a little bit better. So don't worry if you don't get this right away, just rewatch the video. I have resources in the description to help you if you want other resources on division. And make sure to like and subscribe and download the ebook that has this exact lesson in it. You can follow along in the ebook.